am I straight? Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? I don't know. I don't know. Why does Relentlessly Red from MAC have to be so drying on the lips? My lips are just dry AF right now. Hey guys, so I've bought loads of stuff this weekend. I was at my parents' house and went for a wedding with Ash and did a little bit of shopping, and also had a couple of deliveries come in today into the office. So I'm going to quickly run through them. And how nice does it look outside, guys? I know you can't really see, but it's just beautiful. I love that kind of, you know, evening when it's just starting to get a bit dark, but it's still just quite, you know, just mystical and lovely. I love that. So first thing I bought at the weekend, what was the about? I have no idea, but the first thing, I'm going to go through the items really quickly because otherwise it will go on for too long. So the first thing I bought, guys, was this kind of train driver baker boy hat from Topshop, and it was £15, and it looks something like this. I can't pull it down all the way because my bun gets in the way, but you can kind of get the idea. They're very popular right now on Instagram, and they're all over the place, but I just really like this one. I just really like the fit and the cut. It's just a simple black one with like a black button there, a black button there, and I know H&M does a very similar one which I did try on, but theirs just didn't seem to fit me very well, but theirs is a little bit cheaper, I think, so there's a couple of options, but I really like this version. So a couple of bits I picked up in Superdrugs. One of them is this face moisturizer, which is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Golden Age for mature skin. Now my skin is starting to age and be a little bit more mature. That's not really the reason. It was kind of just an impulse buy, really. It was one of their like deals that they were having, and normally I think it's about £18, but it was about £6, £7, and I was like, oh, I'll just try it. I always need face moisturizers, so pick that up. Second thing is the L'Oreal cleansing oil to take my makeup off with, and I have one in the bathroom which is pretty much nearly finished, so just to replace that. I wanted to show you 3 lovely pairs of earrings that I picked up all in Topshop. This is the first pair. They were £5, they were half price. I just love the shape of them, the half moon shape. I thought they'd look really kind of wear them every day into the office or whatever, but very glam and very nice. I love the colouring on them as well, the gold. Second pair I picked up with these very tribal looking pair, which I really have a vision of how I want to wear these, with kind of like an African print dress or a tribal print dress. I have this yellow mango one that I wore in Mexico last year, and I love that. And I was thinking these earrings would look so popping with a dress like that, but alternatively with just a plain white shirt and a pair of jeans, and make the earrings just pop and really make a statement. These were £6. Again, they were half price, but I just really like them. You guys can see them on the camera there. Just love them. The final pair I picked up, which are a bit out there, and they were £12.50 from Topshop, and they're the yellow kind of tassel beaded, and I love the colour, I love everything about them. With earrings, when they're this long, I always feel like you kind of have to have a bit of your neck area kind of, or shoulder area clear, just because then they really can pop and sit really nicely. So really loving this pair. One random thing I really want to show you guys, which is nothing to do with clothes, well, it's to do with clothing, but it's not clothing or jewelry or makeup or any of those things. It's this garment steamer from Philips. And you're probably like, what the hell? But what it was, I got it in Argos, and I used my Nectar points. I really wanted a garment steamer because, you know, in the morning, I hope, you know, I'm sure you guys have the same thing, is when you haven't got time to iron your clothes and you just pull them out of, they've been ironed and they're clean and everything, but they've just got creases because they've been folded in the drawers, or they've been hanging up for a while and they've got crease between the clothes. I just wanted a garment steamer. I have no idea if this is a good one, but it was like £90, so I'm hoping it's good. So I can just blast my clothes in the morning quickly if I am like rushing out the door and there's a few creases. Because one of my pet hates is crease clothes, not just on myself but on other people. I hate crease clothes. I think it looks really tacky and just not cool. I hate it. I really hate it when you're traveling somewhere and you're wearing something and it gets creased along the way. Of course, that's kind of, it cannot be helped, but I hate the idea of wearing creased clothes, or I won't let Ash leave the house with creased clothes on either, because I just think, I don't know, it gives the wrong impression. So that's this Philips garment steamer. I will sure show you guys me using it and let you know how I get on. One thing I picked up on Amazon is these Crest whitening strips. I've used them loads of times before. I normally pick them up when I go over to the States. I just go to one of their drugstores and get a big pack of them for Ash and I, but because I haven't been to the States in a while and I wanted some, I just got them on Amazon. They're about £20 and I've got about 5 strips and I think they're pretty good. I'm not sure if they really work or they don't. I think I see a slight difference, but I'm going to try them anyway because I've had some slight discoloration on my lower teeth and I'm not really liking that, so I'm going to give these a go. Then the final thing I've got to show you guys is the Zara box. So I've got 3 items in there. I've got a dress, I've got some jeans, and I've forgotten what the last thing is actually, guys. So let me open that up and show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this African print dress in a size medium. You can see the print there. It's really lovely, like a pink and yellow. It's a short dress and I'll do a cutaway so you guys can see what it looks like with a v-neck. I got it in a medium and it was £29.99, although it looks a bit teeny tiny, so I'm not sure if it's going to fit me, but let's see what it looks like on. I just love the print, and you know those yellow earrings I showed you with from Topshop, I think they'd go really nicely with this actually. Right, the next item is these boyfriend cut jeans, and they have some fraying there. They look they look like they might fit. They look a tiny bit big. I got them in a 12, but I think I may have needed them in a 10, but let's see. I wanted them a little bit oversized, so they're just comfy. I didn't want them too tight on me, but let's have a look what they look like on. They've got a frayed knee, and they kind of like go to a slim leg, so I'll do a cutaway again and show you what they look like. Final thing I bought is very similar to the dress actually. It's got kind of a bit of a tribal print going on. I'll have to pull them both out together, and there's these stilettos. Let's see if I can show them in a nicer way. They were £29.99 in a size 4. They've got like a yellow print on them and they're quite a high stiletto. Now, I'm not really into stilettos very much anymore. I don't tend to wear them, but I just was drawn to this pair. I like the tassels. I don't know, just something about this pair that I like. So that's what I got, and hopefully I've tried them all on so I can show you all the cutaways. And I'm really tired now, so I'm going to head into the kitchen, make myself some soup. I've got Ash some lamb curry from work, so he's got that for dinner. And then I'm going to chill and rest and relax. So I'll speak to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed my haul, and if you've got any questions, like always, please post them below. I will come back to you. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Lots of love. Bye.